it has hold. Like, it doesn't slip off or fall off. It's staying there. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ashley Massey, and in today's video we are trying a new product for a wash and go, but this is the only product that we'll be using for the wash and go. I'm gonna take a break from my phones just for this one, but we're trying MICHE Tropical Oasis hair gel. Now, they sent me this hair gel when it was first limited edition, which was a long time ago. I believe now they have the product permanently on their website, which I will link somewhere in the description or on this video. I've heard so many good things about this product, and honestly, I don't know why I took so long to try it out, but from the hype, this should be the only styling hair product you need. So I'm really excited to try it out. I haven't opened it, I haven't used it. Thank God it's not expired. I do have a lot of hair, so I'm afraid I'm going to probably use up more than half of what's here right now, but we'll see. And I also have an influencer event to attend in about 3 to 4 hours, so hopefully this comes out good. To save time, I'm going to be using my Bounce Curl Define brush. I do have a video up on my channel of me using this brush. It literally took me little to no time to style my hair. I had only used one product and I didn't get the hold that I needed, so I'm praying that the gel gives me what I'm looking for and that everything just come out cute. So let's see how everything goes. I do have to wash my hair. It's been in these twists for about a week now. I'm just going to unravel these twists, wash my hair, and I'll be back. But in the meantime, actually in the mean few seconds, because it's gonna, like this video if you enjoy watching, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more hair content or other lifestyle content from me. And without further ado, let's get to styling. I don't know if the lighting looks better or not. I just finished washing my hair, and I am sad to announce that I've officially ran out of my favorite shampoo and conditioner. I used Fenty's Hair's The Rich One conditioner and shampoo, but my hair is no longer dirty, and I would like to add in this leave-in from Pattern that I got to experience about 2 weeks ago. Someone in the comments told me that the leave-in conditioner is actually supposed to be used after the regular shampoo and conditioner. So thank you for that tip. I love the way my hair felt after using this product, so I'm going to apply a little bit of this on the sections that I'll be working on, and then going in with the MICHE Tropical Hair Gel. I'm also long overdue for a curly cut, or rather your regular haircut. Don't be like me. Go get a hair trim every 6 months. It's officially been over a year for me. I promise I'm getting a trim soon. My ends just look horrendous. Let's see what this smells like. Oh, my hands are slippery. All right. I don't even know why I tried to play myself. I already know that I'm not the best at discarding scents, but it kind of smells like candy, if that makes sense. Oh, this is the consistency. It's very jelly-like, but it has hold. Like, it doesn't slip off or fall off. It's staying there. Okay. Try not to be scared to use so much product because I do want that hold and I don't want a lot of frizziness. So at this point we are officially all in. And this is what it looks like without any manipulation with the brush, by the way. Only the gel and finger raking it through. I finished styling the first half of my hair, and so far so good. I mean, there's a lot of shine. You can definitely see the definition. I'll show you in better lighting when all of this is finished, but I have the front twisted up. It's going to be a U part only because my bangs are no longer bangs and I don't know how I want to style it yet. This way I can still decide if I want to do a middle part, toss it to the side, or whatever. I see the little springlets back here. They look pretty. I also didn't think about possible flaking. I just hope that doesn't happen. But so far I'm satisfied, and I'm going to finish this up as I only have about an hour and a half to get ready and leave. I finished styling my hair. This is what the curls are looking like. Let me turn on the light and give you a full 360. Okay, so here's some extra lighting, and this is what the back looks like, the side. And again, I did a U part, so I have no middle part, no side part. I'm just going to let it air dry for a few minutes and then go in with my diffuser. If you don't know, I do feel a way about day one wash and goes, so I will give you my final thoughts on day 2 tomorrow. But so far so good. I just hope that there's no flaking and that my hair is not sticky. The consistency of the product is like slime, and I love to play with weird textures, so I do love that part about the product. And I did end up using about half of the jar, so yeah. It's officially day 2, and all I have to say is that I have 3 of these gels in my cart. not only for free shipping, but to support a Black woman that's a genius, because I've never seen my curls look like this. And the amount of compliments I got last night and this morning, because I took myself out for breakfast, and my mom hasn't stopped talking about how good my hair looks. I can't make this up. I also need a haircut, so the shape is very much off, but you can't tell. My hair does have a crunch. I'll let you hear it. But that's because there's a gel cast. I can easily fix that by rubbing oil on my hands and running through my hair in little sections. But this came out so bomb. I have no words. Let me show you the back. That's what the back looks like. I also noticed that the brush kind of made the roots frizzy. That's why I was running the brush through for the curls and then smoothing over the product at the roots so it won't be as frizzy and I can have a lot more definition. But I would absolutely use this product again, even though I used quite a lot, but that's because of how much hair I have. But I have no regrets. That's why I'm going to order me some more. And if you're thinking about trying out this product, then I don't know what else to tell you other than order it now. No, just kidding. But if you can, you should, because the product is bomb and the results are bomber. With that being said, this is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Again, if you did, please leave it with a thumbs up. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how I properly sleep with my curly hair. You should definitely subscribe if you want to get a notification and stick around until then and forever. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye!